Welcome to the CPP and OAS Optimizer. This powerful feature will run every age combination to help you identify the optimal age to start taking these government benefits. Now, this optimization incorporates your entire analysis, your required after-tax income, any goals that you've set along the way, and ultimately what you want to achieve at the end of the analysis. Now, the default setting will allow the optimization to run every age combination of CPP and old age security. If you've already predetermined the age you plan to start taking CPP, you can go ahead and manually override and select the age you plan to start. The optimizer will then run the analysis based on this start age to determine the optimal age for the other government benefits. Now, depending on the length of your analysis, this may take a few minutes to run. However, you'll start to see results as they come in and see a progress bar. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see an entire table of all the age combinations and how it impacts your plan. For users who ran a max spend or a set value strategy, the goal here is to maximize your lifetime spending. For users who ran a max value or a traditional plan, the goal here is to identify ages that maximize the value of your after-tax estate. The table will show the best age combinations from the top down, clearly showing you the impact it had in taking CPP and old age security at suboptimal ages. You can also analyze the top 10 results in a graph view. Now, based on these age combinations, you can then launch into any particular plan you'd like, which will then become your dashboard and your entire plan. By clicking launch, that will then become your dashboard and clearly indicate that you have indeed found the optimal age to start taking your government benefits.